This is the manuscript section. This is where you write the actual text of your novel. In the center is your main workspace, your page. On the left is your scene list. This will show a list of the titles of all your scenes and chapters. On the right is the related info bar. This shows all the related and linked information associated with the scene. Above the main workspace are your rich text editing options and a range of useful functions and settings. Note that the software will automatically save your work at regular intervals. You can also force a manual save by clicking the save button. You can check that all your work is being synced to the cloud by keeping an eye on this icon in the top right-hand corner. If this is showing as red, then it means your work is not syncing properly with the cloud and you may not be centrally backed up, and you may need to take action or contact us. In the page, you can write your text. The scene will be added immediately beneath the selected scene. You can also view statistics relating to your scene and change the default manuscript settings, including font size, default font, line spacing, and first line indent size. Here is also where you can use the turn back time feature. This is a version history feature, which saves versions of your manuscript at regular intervals as you go along. So if you suddenly realize that you've deleted some text that you'd like to get back, you can click this button to view past versions of your manuscript. From here, you can either restore old versions of entire scenes or copy and paste out the sections that you need. Finally, there is the recycle bin button. If you click this button, it will delete this scene, but you can always restore it again from the recycle bin. Restored scenes are returned to the section they were created in. On the left of the page is the scene list. If you can't see it, you can click the little tab to make it appear. This shows a list of all of your scenes, and if you have them, chapters. You can drag and drop the scenes to reorder them from this list, and the currently active scene is indicated with a tinted background. The related info sidebar can be found in many of the sections of the software. This allows you to link connected items, such as characters to locations or items or scenes. In the manuscript section, the related info sidebar also contains some extra fields where you can enter useful information for that scene. These are scene synopsis, scene notes, point of view character, weather, date and time, goal to decision cycle. The things you can link to a scene are characters, locations, items, plot events, other scenes, and notes. To link one of these things to a scene, click where it says link something, then select it from the drop-down.